This is my original song called Shivering Night. This is an unplugged version.
Mystery girl in the shadows, hang me in the gallows. I feel the wind from the cold shivering night. If possible, when used to give me sight. It's a dark presence bestowed upon thee. For every step I ponder about back then I was happy. Just a last hunger for my soul and heart shall exist. Nevermore my blood is pouring like rain. Prisons